Hi everybody, Alex Explorer here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at 6 robots that are able to trade to $1 million. And you'll also find out that there are many more robots that can do that. You just need to know the strategy to use. And you might also find out that your existing robots have that capability, because it all hinges around maximum lot trading. So in this video we're going to do a quick review of the maximum lot trading principles. Then we're going to look at 6 existing robots that have $1 million potential. And then most importantly, we're going to have a look at how you can get your hands on these robots at a huge discount. And there's going to be some warnings about future price increases. So let's get straight into it. Now, earlier this week, I made this video about the maximum lot principle, and I'm not going to repeat everything in this video. I think it's about a 20-minute video. Please go and watch it if you want to know more about the maximum lot principle. But essentially what it means is that you can work out the maximum amount of lots that you can trade in one trade on your account, therefore maximizing your risk. And the whole point of this is that a lot of people think, oh, I'm going to be throwing away half of my account with every trade. Not so. It works out that you're risking about 3 to 4% of your account using this approach. So watch this video for more information about that. So bear that in mind, you're only risking 3 to 4% of your account to achieve these fantastic results. And here's an example of some of the results. Here, $275 was traded to $1 million in 3 months using the maximum lot principles. So those are very strong principles. It's a trading strategy and a trading principle that gets built into any robot that you could possibly be trading. And it all started with this one where $763 was traded to over 200,000, not quite $1 million, but 200,000 in only 19 trades and in only 5.5 weeks. And that got everybody's attention, and that's basically what started this maximum lot series. Now, if you want to watch the series or past videos, here is the Expert Forex YouTube channel. We've just passed 100,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. If you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing. If you're not, please subscribe. And here you can see a display of some of the most important videos, and the most recent ones are shown over here, and you can actually see some of the ones that you've just been pointed out are on this list here. So go and visit the YouTube channel, go and have a look at the videos that are available. If you want to find anything about Forex on this channel, all you do, there's a search facility. It's not very clear here, but there's a search facility. You click on that, just type in the term like million, and you'll be presented with many videos on that particular topic. Okay, so let's have a look at the $1 million robots. And here we have the Tradable RSI, one of our robots, and all of these have been back tested for 1 year. So it's quite consistent. And here we have the Tradable RSI that has generated $1,500,000 over that particular year at a 65% success rate. And this is why we say the maximum lot principle can be applied to so many robots, even robots that you might own right now that are not even Expert Forex robots. Then we have the Tradable MACD, and that one's traded to 1.7 million. Incredible results, and with a really good success rate of 77%. Now, these results just show the potential of these robots. They are not actual trading results, they are back traded results, but they show the potential of the robot. So then we move to the Make Money trading robot, and that has also traded well over $1 million, and interesting enough, at a success rate of only 45%. And why that's successful is because the average profitable trade is so much higher than the average losing trade. And now we move on to the Tradable ADX Robot. Now you'll notice these are all indicators that have been automated and made tradable that are resulting in these magnificent results. And that's just under $1 million, but this is a success rate of only 32%. Now imagine if you just reverse the direction of trade, or you get a way of increasing that success rate, how successful this robot can be. Then we have one of our older robots, which is the Dream Machine, doing pretty well, not reaching $1 million, $617,000. But the nature of the maximum lot process is that for an extra month or two, that 600 can be turned into $1 million quite quickly, and that's why we've listed this one. Almost made it. And then here's another one showing a day trader. Now that's quite unusual, a day trader that does pretty well. This one hasn't done the million, it's 306,000. But again, if we give this one another 4 months, it will get to $1 million. It has a very high success rate of 87%. Wonderful trading that happens here, and that's why I say give it a chance and it will reach the million pretty quickly. But we've limited all these to 1 year's trading. Okay, so now where do you find these robots? And they are listed on our main website, expertforex.com. There is the list of EAs that are purchasable, but we've only shown you the ones, and here's the list, that trade one trade at a time. That's very important for maximum lot trading. You only trade one trade at a time. The EA must also have a percentage of equity or percentage of balance setting that enables the maximum lot trading, and it must use stops and targets, which is normal for normal trading. So this is where you can find all those EAs that have been mentioned. Just a reminder to join our Expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video. But we currently have a bundle of these EAs, and there you can see it, and I've highlighted the names there. There's the Tradable MACD, the Make Money, a day trader, and normal trader, and then the Tradable RSI, the Dream Machine, and the ADX trader. They're in this bundle. This bundle consists of 16 EAs, 11 there, and then there are an extra 5 free ones at the bottom here. So you get 16 EAs in this particular bundle. At the moment, it is going for $770. That is an 86% discount. When the market opens next week, that price is going to jump to $980. So you've got this week to still purchase that bundle at the incredible discount of 86%. That $980 is still going to be a fantastic price. It is still an 83% discount. The other thing that I must make you aware of is that some of these results that you've seen will find their way to our linked service. Now, don't wait for that to happen, because you must be ready to take advantage of that straight away. So the way to do that is to do our free 30-day trial. Do that free trial, know how to use the link service, and then you're in a good position when some of those fantastic results find their way to the linked service. Now, one thing I must make you aware of, that if you purchase one of these EAs, you will not be given the $1 million settings. And there's many reasons why we don't do that, because they are incredibly dangerous. They are over-optimized and fitted for the historic price movement that happened during last year. So they are not usable in the current market, and that's why we do not supply you with it. But in our forum, we have discussion sessions about these settings, and I have provided templates on how to find these settings. I've provided the results, and I've provided a lot of discussion feedback on how you can create those $1 million settings and take advantage of them. So if you're really keen at $1 million trading, join the forum and take part in those discussions. There are a lot of other advantages, like the linking service, for instance, is free once you've joined the forum. The forum is currently $74. We will be increasing that price considerably. It is likely to go over $100 in the next few weeks. Just an early warning that is about to happen. The principle is that once you have created a forum subscription, it will never change. So we have traders there that are paying us $20 a month because they joined the forum very early when it was created. But their subscriptions will never change, even when the subscriptions go to over $100 in the future. So what actions can you take from this video? Firstly, review those videos that I've mentioned earlier. Links to everything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. Then have a look at the marketing pages of those videos that have been highlighted. They'll give you a good idea of how they trade and why they produce these magnificent results. Then consider that 16 EA bundle. It's not going to be around for long. By the beginning of next week, the price will jump tremendously. Also consider doing a trial of the linked account service so that you can take advantage of all the existing accounts that are listed on that service, as well as any future ones that come in. Then lastly, consider joining the premium forum for two reasons: to avoid the price increase, and secondly, to join the discussions about million-dollar trading. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the potential of this highly leveraged Forex market that we have available. It really creates opportunities that are not normally available. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.